Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to install M-eux tool and test simple application with it. So let's start. Okay, so now before we will start, we will need to set up several things. One of it is our M-eux tool. I will use version 2269. We will also set up the Eclipse SDK with version 352 for 32 bits and QTP11. QTP11 is already installed on my PC, so I will not install it. I hope that you will do it for yourself. So okay, so let's start. I will start the installation. Okay, it's great. Yeah, I will install it on my C. Okay, now he's asking you which tools you want to be M-eux tool to be integrated in. So we will choose a QTP, we will choose a Visual Studio, although I will not use it, and we will choose Eclipse. Okay, now he's asking you to show the path of the Eclipse installation directory. So as you can see, I already downloaded the 352 version. This is the only version that M-eux tool work with it, but it's easily downloaded from the internet. You can just download it from download. Yeah, I did it several times, so it's already here. Yeah, you go into this site. Okay, just type it in Google, and this is a version SDK 352 for 32 bits. This is a version that I use. Okay, so I extracted it already on my C. You can see it here. Okay, so I will copy paste the path to installation. Okay, you will also need to specify the Java installation directory. I hope you have one. If you don't have, well, most of the cases you probably have it, but if you don't have it, you will need to download it also, but let's hope that you have it. I will also specify it too. Okay, next, and the installation begins. Okay, it doesn't supposed to take a lot of time. Yeah, also I'm running virtual machine on my Mac and also the recording program, but still I hope it will not take too much time. Yeah, well, as you see, here is the logo for the Eclipse and here is the logo for the device manager. In a short time I will explain you everything. Okay, so now it's look like finished. Okay, let's close it. Let's close it too. Okay, so let's open our device manager. Come on, here it is. Okay, this is the Windows where you can see your devices which are connected. The second tab is the tools that you're going to test with. For example, it can be or QTP or Eclipse or Visual Studio or whatever you want. Okay, so maybe in the first step, when you just install it first time, you will need to get the license from the Java. So this is the license, the export key. So you go to tools, go to license, you go new license, see it, select, and then you need to select your license. Here it is on my desktop. So we'll just select it. Okay, new license start. Okay, so you're ready. So right now let's connect our device. Okay, so first of all, you need to install an agent on your device. So if you go to your directory where you install the Java solutions, the M-eux tool, in my case it will be in program files, Java solution, M-eux test tool, setup. I'm using iOS. Okay, you can see here, for example, in iOS it will be agent wrapper. So what you need to do, you need to take this agent, to put it in your Mac, to extract it. I think it's really not hard, yeah, and to run it on your device. So what I mean, like to take the project, yeah, after you extract it, you get some project that you're supposed to use it in Xcode, and then run it at your device, so you can see, so you actually can see your agent on your device. This is the case. I will not do it. I think it's really easy. I mean, it's like to install a simple app on your device. It's really not hard. I hope that you will deal with it. Especially if you still have some troubles, you can always go to the documentation which Jamo provide, and you can find it in help, in getting started, in iOS getting started, in this documentation. So everything that I explained you right now, you can easily find it here in this document and with much better explanation. So let's hope that you already installed your device, your agent on the device, and now you're trying to connect. So what I'm doing right now, I will connect my device to my machine, to Windows machine, and I will shortly, in a short time, I will explain you exactly what I did. So let's try to connect it. Okay, I press it. Oh, voila. You see, this is my device, and this is iPhone 4S. Yeah, right now you will not see any tool because I didn't open any tool, but right now you can see the device. So what actually I did? If you go to Tools, Remote Device Screen, Jamo iPhone 3, this is the name of my device, you will get this screen, okay? So I will press back, okay? And this is our agent. So you have here connect, agent settings, client settings, about. You go to connect, okay? Now you have connect, the connect button, and you need to specify the IP number. This IP number, this is the IP of your Windows machine, of my machine. I hope you know how to get it. If no, you can go to console ipconfig and then you will get it. So right now our tool, the device manager is connected with the device. So well, let's continue and show you what to do next. Okay, so I thought in the beginning to use the UI catalog that Jamo provide to show the examples, but then I thought, it's going to be really easy. So, of course it will work, because they provided it. So I decided to download some sample application from the internet. The sample application is called SQLite tutorial. I hope you're not confused when I switch between my Windows machine and my Mac machine, because this is my virtual machine and this is already my Mac. So yeah, we have been. Okay, so SQLite tutorial is some simple applications that I download from the internet because I'm working right now on SQLite. I don't know really what it do, maybe it do nothing, but it's not the case. What I'm trying to explain you is how to install, to include the libraries that Jamo provide to make your test working. So this is my application, and what I need to do is to include two libraries that Jamo provide. So let's come back to our Windows side. You will go to a directory, to installation directory. Okay, getting started. You will find it in setup iOS, because I'm working with iOS. I'm working with iOS 6, so I will need two libraries. I will need client agent.h and I will need libclient agents 6.a. So I will need those two files to include in my project. As you can see, I already put them here. Okay, it's client agent and libclient agent s6.a. So right now I will go to my project. Okay, I will put down the Windows machine. Okay, so what I need to do is to go to SQLite tutorial. This is a tutorial, this is the application that I use. I need to take those two files and to copy paste them to the project. That's all. Okay, now they're here. Now what I need to do, the last step, is, maybe it will sound the most complex one, but really it's very well explained in the documentation, so I hope you will not be confused with it. And especially with this video, it will get really simple for you. So you need to include them into your project. So you go into your project, and you need to add those two files. So it already opened your project, so just you need to find them. This is the first file, the libclient agent 6 and client agent.h. You open them, as you can see, Xcode automatically adds them to your project. Now you need to go to app delegate M. It will be, I'm pretty sure that every application has it. Okay, and you need to add 4 lines of code. The lines of code are really intuitive one. If you're a developer, if you're not a developer, you just can see them and you will probably understand what do they mean. Okay, so you need to import the client agent.h that you included into your project. There you need to create an instance of it. This is the second line. Of course, you need to allocate and init it. This is the third line. And the last line, you will need to close the agent while the application is finished. So in total, it's like 4 lines. The client agent close will be in application will terminate. It is when your application is finished. And the client agent allocate it will be in application did finish launching, or in maybe in your case it can be in application did finish launching with options. It's up to you. So now everything is in your app. So let's rebuild it. Let's put it on your device. Now we have it on our device. I will stop it. Okay, come on, stop it. Okay, let's come back to our Windows side. Okay, great. So you can see this is my application. This is RDS. What we can see. This is application, and let's start the QTP, for example. Now in QTP you will need to set some options to improve the performance. You need to set it only once, and maybe in some cases it will be already set it. So let's check it and see if it's already done automatically. Come on, QTP. Yeah, it's really hard for my PC. Okay, so to set this option, you're going to Tool, Options, Active Screen, Customize Level, and you go to M-eux Tests for QTP. Yeah, it's not set. Okay, so you put the not, you choose the none, and okay, and right now you need to restart QTP for the option can be included. Okay, so now let's restart the QTP. Let's start it again. Okay, come on. It always takes so much time. Okay, so this is our RDS, and well, let's start a new test. Okay, let's try to record something. I will just, press. You need to choose the second option. I will just press some buttons and see how it works. Okay, I will choose the elephant. Okay, you can see we have the line here. I will go back. I will choose monkey. I will choose gala. Voila. Let's go back. Yeah. Okay, let's stop. I think it's enough. Okay, so and let's run it to see if it works. Okay. Well, let's see. Okay, now he goes to elephant. He comes back. Oh, okay, he do it really fast. Okay, so well, maybe to show you it's better to force it, to force it to wait for some seconds, for some 2 seconds. So yeah, come on. So let's try to do it like that. Okay, let's run it again. Okay, he chooses elephant, he wait 2 seconds, he go back, he wait 2 seconds, he chooses monkey, wait, he goes back. Well, as you can see, it works. It works really nice, really smoothly. It takes me less than 10 minutes to install it with all the explanations that I can provide. You can easily find more information in the documentation, which well, it will be much more better, I think. Well, it's not so hard as I see it, yeah, and any other information will be explained much better in the documentation. So have a good luck with it and a good day. Bye, guys.